Tips you need to know about fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers play a fundamental part in minimizing the effects fire can cause, but only if you ensure they're adequately maintained and appropriately used. So, in case you're unfamiliar with them, here are 5 facts you need to know about when it comes to your business fire extinguishers. 1. They must be recharged after every use. Whether a small amount of extinguishing agent accidentally discharged or you actively released some to fight a fire, always top up what's been used for when it's next needed. It might seem trivial at the time, but, in reality, that top-up could actually save a life, so make it your priority to act promptly. 2. They don't last forever. Fire extinguishers don't last forever. That's not to say they have an expiration date, but you can't simply purchase one, put it out and then push it to the back of your mind. To keep your business, your employees and your visitors safe, it's really important that you have, and stick to, a robust maintenance ritual. And remember, disposable extinguishers must be replaced every 12 years. 3. They must be regularly maintained. It's really important that you stick to regular visual and physical inspections of your fire extinguishers. Visual inspections. These should be done on a monthly basis and by a competent person. During visual inspections, pay particular attention to things like: where is the fire extinguisher placed? How easy is it to access? Is it fully charged? Is both the pin and seal in place? Is there any visible damage to any parts of the extinguisher? Is the nozzle free from any blockages? Physical inspections. Your fire extinguishers should be serviced once a year by a qualified and experienced technician. During this, they'll look out for things like the condition of your fire extinguishers, and the location, number, and type of your extinguishers. They should also inform you of any deficiencies, recommend remedial work, and provide you with a certificate so that you can demonstrate compliance to enforcing authorities, should you need to. 4. If your employees can't find or reach the fire extinguisher, they can't use it. Sometimes, companies are tempted to place fire extinguishers in hidden or highly inaccessible locations, either due to company aesthetics, perceived safety risks, or simple lack of storage space. However, this will not serve you well if a fire emergency develops. The best-case scenario will place extinguishers in highly visible, clearly labeled locations that are sufficiently low to the ground so that even shorter employees can easily reach them. Clear instructions in large print font should be printed and placed right beside the extinguisher sign. Fire training should also make sure your employees have experience with retrieving the extinguisher from its storage location. With regular drills and retraining, this knowledge will work its way into their muscle memory and become second nature. There are other fire safety aids that should always accompany your extinguishers. Ceiling sprinkler systems, smoke detectors, fire monitoring and other aids can all ensure any fire emergency receives prompt and expert attention. 5. When to fight a fire. You should fight a fire with a fire extinguisher only when all the following are true. Everyone has left or is leaving the building. The fire department has been called. The fire is small and confined to the immediate area where it started, such as in a wastebasket, cushion, small appliance, stove, etc. You can fight the fire with your way back to a safe escape route. Your extinguisher is rated for the type of fire you are fighting and is in good working order. You have had training in use of the extinguisher and are confident that you can operate it effectively. Remember, if you have the slightest doubt about whether or not to fight the fire, don't. Instead, get out, closing the door behind you to slow the spread of the fire. You have one of the best fire departments in the state standing by ready to protect you. Let the professionals do their job.